Hello everyone, I am mrbobvin or Malika, and welcome back to yet another yarn haul video. So I know you're like, geez, like how many yarn haul videos are you gonna have? Like, okay, listen, hear me out. So I bought yarn for like my last yarn haul. I don't even feel like explaining. Anyway, so I got yarn because I wanted to stop using Impeccable, because I was only using Impeccable because it was like super accessible and like I can literally buy it and get it the same day. It was super easy. But like now that I'm really getting into like the projects like I'm super excited about, and I want it to look and feel like good. And Impeccable is good, don't get me wrong, but Impeccable is super stiff, and like the styles I want to start doing, I don't want my tops to be like stiff. Like for my t-shirt type of tops, I'm fine with using Impeccable because I'm fine with it being like a little stiff, but it's not annoyingly stiff with my t-shirts. But the top I'm getting ready to do next, I don't want that to be stiff like at all. So I looked up like different yarns to get, and then I ended up seeing, I mean, I'm always on Wool Warehouse, so that's where I'm going to be getting all my yarn from. So I was just looking up like all the different yarns they have, and I was in drop section, and then I wanted wool. I know I wanted that, and then my sister said that merino wool is really good, so I ended up getting a lot because this is going to be my stash now. Like whatever project I'm going to be doing from like here on out, I'm going to be using this yarn. So I'm trying to build it up, which is why I got 78 balls. So yeah, let me show you guys the package. So literally this is the package. I'm gonna take all the yarn out, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the colors I got. So it's this bag, and this bag. Okay, so I have 3 bags, and I got 6 balls of each color because I just wanted to get, I wanted this yarn to use for my next project, but then I was like, if I like it, I was scared I wasn't gonna like it because I literally bought 78, and I was like, what if I don't like it and I just have all this scratchy yarn? But it literally ended up being perfect. I love it. I'm so happy I got like different colors because I'm literally, like I said, I'm building my stash up. I don't have a stash other than my hand-dyed yarn, and I use that hand-dyed yarn mainly for knitting. So for crocheting, I want my own stash for that. So I literally have no other yarn. Like every project I've had like recently, I bought it for the project. I didn't like take it from a stash because I don't have a stash. So now I'm building my stash up, which I'm excited about. And so I decided to use drops, merino, extra fine, superwash wool. Anyway, so I'm gonna go through all the bags and show you guys all the colors I got. And yeah, so let's get it. So I'm gonna start with this bag. So I got this color, and then I wanted to get like springy colors because I know like my future projects are gonna be in the spring / summertime, so I wanted bright colors instead of like the dark ones. But I did get dark ones because I always want to have, I always want to be able to have black or white, you know, the basic colors, just in case to like add something, because I'm building my stash up, so I will eventually need black, you know, in the future. But yeah, so I got this beautiful pink. It's like, it's like magenta, I would say, and this doesn't have like colors, it just has a color number, but it is 100% wool. And the needle and hook size is a 4mm, and it's 115 yards. So that's this color I got. And then I got this other pink. This is so beautiful. I love it. So I got this pink as well, and it's super soft. Like, it's so soft. And then the main thing I love about this yarn is that it's so stretchy. This is the stretchiest yarn, and I think my sister was saying it's because it's superwash, and I love, and I was also looking for a yarn that's like stretchy, so I needed stretch, and Impeccable like isn't that stretchy. It's kind of, like I said, it's stiff, so it only has so much stretch to it. But this yarn is so stretchy. I already did a swatch yesterday, so I'll show you guys my swatch like when I finish showing you all the colors. But I was in love with this yarn as soon as I touched it, and it feels so good on the skin, so good on the skin, and it's so it's beautiful. Anyway, and then I got this beautiful pastel-y yellow color because of course spring and stuff, I needed to get yellow, and this yellow was literally so perfect. Then I got this beautiful green. Actually, they did have it colored. They did have color names, but they don't have the color name on here. But like when I was putting it in my cart and stuff, it was like sage green. I don't know if this is sage green, but it's so beautiful. Like, look at these three. Just these three in general are just like perfect spring colors, period. Like, so beautiful. Oh, I love these. And it's so squishy and soft. I think that's all the colors in this one. Yeah, literally I love this yarn. I'm so happy I picked it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, anyway, so like I said, this is my building up my stash, so I just got like other colors I will need like in fall, like these colors. So I got like this brown, so pretty. Then I got this like cinnamony color too. I will definitely use this for like the fall time, so I can get those like fall vibes. Like, these are so cute. This will be so cute together, period. Like, it's so pretty. And then I got this beautiful like blue. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Then I got this like mustard yellow because I wanted a darker yellow too for like the future, because I wanted it and I thought it would be nice, a nice addition. Oh yeah, that's this yellow right here. And like, look how squishy it is. Like, it's so soft. Like, okay, anyway, is that all for here? Okay, that's all for here. And then I got this blue. So pretty. Like, the colors are so pretty. I wish I got all of them, but it's fine. I got 6 of each color. So, and I didn't know like how much I would need with the project because I've never used this. So I was like, I don't even know how many to get initially. So I just got 6 because I'm going to be like switching colors out, so I won't be using like a solid color for like an entire project. So I was like, 6 should be good, since I'll be like doing green, and then this is not green, I'll be doing blue and then green and then pink and then yellow. So, you know, it'll be fine. But this blue is so pretty. I love it. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, and then I got this red because I wanted red to just have for the future, like I said. So this red is literally so beautiful and fiery and just perfect. Why did I say that? Perfect. Yes, I can speak. Anyway, then I got, oh, I didn't even know I had this. Okay, I have this beautiful purple. Did I have purple in the other one? No, it's like magenta. Okay, so I have this purple I didn't even know I had, but I'm honestly kind of tired of using purple. Like, my last 2 projects had purple in them, so I'm kind of, I want to like not use purple, but like, this is so pretty, like I have to use it. Are you kidding me? So I had this. I didn't even know I had that. It was so hidden in here. Then of course I have black because black is always good to have, and my cat is playing with paper. But black is always a good color to have no matter what. It's like a good, you should always have black, even though I think we all hate working with black yarn, but black yarn is just so important to have. Like, you have to have black. So I have black. I'll be using that later. And then just like black, having white is just as important, because this is definitely can be included in like springtime colors, like a little splash of white, you know. But this is not like super white, it's like super off white. But, and I was kind of scared that it would look more like, really like more like yellow and white, but it's white enough. Like, you can tell it's not pure white from like this white, and like you can tell like it's kind of creamy, but that's fine, like I said, because I was like, it can go with like everything else. Like I don't really care. I do wish that it was more, it was brighter, but that's fine. White is white, and I have all that. But that's all the yarn I got to build my stash, because like I said, I'm just tired of working with Impeccable, and I wanted to work with something softer, and I also wanted to work with something smaller too, because I know I can work with a smaller size hook with Impeccable, but when I use smaller hooks with like Impeccable or worsted weight, I'm not even gonna say worsted weight, with just acrylic Impeccable specifically, my project gets stiffer, and I don't want my projects to be stiffer. So I needed a yarn where I can use a smaller hook and it can be stretchy and feel like it will be good. So like this yarn is literally so perfect, and again, it's called Drops Merino Extra Fine, and I'll have the link in my description for this yarn, because literally it's so perfect, and that's the yarn I'm going to be using for like everything now, so I'm definitely gonna have to stock up more on this yarn so I can just pick it. Like I want to be able to pick it now. Like I want to build. I don't have a stash anymore. Like I don't have a stash. Oh yeah, and I also do have like the muscat and the other yarn I got from Knitting for Olive, but the Knitting for Olive, the pink one, that's for knitting, and then the muscat is already being used. But anyway, this is perfect. It's so perfect. I love it. I'm so happy I chose this one, because I was gonna go with Drops Charisma, but somebody said that it was like super scratchy, and I was like, oh, thank God I did not get that, because I would have had 78 balls, give or take, of scratchy yarn, and I literally wanted the opposite of that. Oh god, that would have sucked, but I would have had to use it. That would have sucked. But I'm so glad. I'm so happy with this. Yes. But yeah, so that's all the yarn I got, and I'm going to be using, for my next project, I want it to be like super colorful, so I'm definitely going to be using like the pink for sure, the green, I'm definitely, okay, so these colors, oh god, I'm definitely going to be using for sure. Ooh, definitely with like this. So these will probably be like the main colors I use for my next project. I think I will add like the white in it too, because white's always good. So like this, I think, will be the colors of my next project. Maybe, I'm literally starting it today, but I have no idea like what colors I wanna go with, but I'm super excited. And I'm super excited for you guys to see my next project, because it's totally different than what I usually do. I usually stick to like the most basic projects I can think of, because I personally like basic clothing, because that's just my preference. And I know it's like easy for beginners to like catch on and make something of mine, because it's super basic, it's not like intricate, you don't have to learn crazy techniques, it's just simple to the point. But I kind of want to start branching out and doing more intricate, not like super crazy, like, but just something that I usually wouldn't do, or something I haven't done before. So this next top is going to be something new, and something that I definitely would not have made last year, and is nothing close to anything I have made. So I'm super excited for you guys to see that. It's not something that's like super like crazy, but it's definitely different from what I normally do. Definitely super different. I don't think I put that cup up. Oh no. But I forgot to show you guys my swatch. Let me show you guys how it looks crocheted. I was doing something with what I'm gonna do with my next top, but this is how it looks. Let me see if I can, like, it's so pretty and it's so soft. It's literally perfect. This is double crochet like at the top, well, the whole thing is double crochet, but it gets a little wider here. But I want to, like, this is literally double crochet, and it's so tight still. Like, that's just insane to me. But yeah, that's how it looks. And Here we go. Yes, it's so pretty. But anyway, I love it. I love it. That is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, yeah, good job, so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.